Hello, everybody. I'm Frida Stoffer. Whoa. Oops. Yay! Whoops. There. I'm having my lunch today. All I had for breakfast was one cold hamburger patty that I made last night. And today I'm having two for lunch, two hamburger patties and some marinara and Swiss cheese. The Swiss cheese has less than one carb per slice. And the broccoli is, broccoli. The broccoli is a little bit overcooked. It was left over from last night's dinner, and I reheated it in the microwave. I did not add salt. Um, I use Swiss cheese because it's low sodium, and I tried not eating dairy for a long time. It didn't really make a difference. So I'm using dairy again. It's the carbs that get me, the carbs and the salt. Mm. Bismillah. Really, really good. I've had a busy morning. I'm having lunch early. It's 10:30 or 10:40. Um, because this morning at 6 o'clock when I got up, I just had a little burger. I took my medication, got the kids ready for school, packed lunches for the ones who wanted them, and took the two little ones to school, and then I took the twins to the eye doctor. And then I dropped the twins off at school at 10:15. Now I'm eating my brunch. I guess it's brunch because breakfast and lunch together is brunch. And this is like a pizza. I put marinara and cheese. I've never heard of Swiss cheese on pizza, but I put some. I use it because it's lower in sodium than other cheeses. Mm. I have to see if I can find light Jarlsberg Swiss, because light Jarlsberg Swiss tastes delicious. Tastes just like regular Swiss Jarlsberg Swiss, and it's light. Jarlsberg Swiss is usually in the specialty delis, in the specialty cheese case at the deli section. I think Kroger and Walmart probably have it. No, probably maybe even Whole Foods. I don't hate the broccoli, but it's a little overdone for my taste. I usually like broccoli undercooked. So I didn't add up the sodium content or anything, or the carbs, but I made sure everything I'm eating is low in everything. I used the griddle side, the the grill side of a griddle. I have a two-sided griddle. The one side is flat for pancakes, and the other side is got the grills, um, the ridges for a grill, so the fat goes away from the meat. Mm. This is so good. I have a surprise dessert to come after this too. On the broccoli, I put black pepper, and I can't believe it's not butter spray. I'm finally almost pretty much stocked with my heart healthy food. Mm. The only thing on my plate that really has carbs is the marinara. And I'm not doing zero carbs, so I'll use it. I'm probably eating pretty fast. I was hungry, sleepy, dizzy. I want to show you my dessert in a minute. Okay, that is finished. Now I'm going to show you my dessert. Everything I was eating is also low FODMAP because of my IBS, specifically IBS-D. If you don't know what that is, you can Google IBS-D. But this is my dessert. Strawberries with sugar-free Hershey's brand sugar-free chocolate sauce. There are 2 tablespoons in here, so 10 calories. I didn't count my total calories. No, I just made sure everything on my plate is according to my diet restrictions from the doctor, and whatever the calories are supposed are is just what they are. You want a bite? This chocolate sauce doesn't taste real good on its own because you can sort of taste the artificial sweetener, but when it's on the strawberries, it tastes delicious. I think I found this sugar-free Hershey's syrup at Kroger. I looked at Walmart, couldn't find any. So they might have it, but I just was tired of looking. But then when I went to Kroger, I found it easily. Walmart is too big for me. I just don't want to do all that hunting. Kroger's closer to my house, and Aldi also is closer to my house, and I can probably right now tell you which aisle each thing is in, because I know those aisles like the back of my hand. I'm enjoying this. Yummy. I have pre-diabetes. I don't have diabetes, I have pre-diabetes. And I've had it for years. But the doctors want me to eat as though I have it. And if I feel better after a month, I'm probably going to want to stick to it. Wow, 2 tablespoons was more than enough. I could have done with just 1 tablespoon. So I finished that show yesterday, Virgin River, on Netflix, and now I don't know what to watch. I think I'm gonna try to catch up on some YouTube videos. It's been a while and I'm behind, so I really need to do that. So thank you for watching, everyone. Have a great hump day. Bye-bye.